Hey everyone, it's Todd, the Cybertruck truck guy, and got something super exciting. Hold on. Breaking news. Are you impressed? That's right. This is our first special edition. 3 things in 5 minutes. Okay, tonight, like on the news. Okay, hey guys, tonight, here's the 3 things we're going to be covering. Number 1, Tesla earnings. Big news today. Lots of information. Number 2, good information about Battery Day. And number 3, Giga or Terra, Texas, mostly confirmed. All right, let's get into it. Okay, guys, point number 1, Tesla earnings. So, some big things happened in terms of how they surprised expectations and in actually turning a profit in the first quarter. So this is the first time in Tesla history that in the first quarter, they actually turned a profit. That's a big deal. Now, part of the profit came from credits from, think, Fiat Chrysler. So even if you subtract those credits out, they still made a profit. Not a very big one, but they made a profit. So let's see here what the analysts were projecting. So if we go over here, out of a total of 19 analysts, they were thinking the average estimate was they were going to lose 36 cents a share. And the low one was they were going to lose $3 a share. And the high one was they were going to make 94 cents a share. Last year, they lost $4.10 a share. This year, they made 9 cents a share. That is what, 400% improvement? I don't even know. I'm not a math guy. I'm a truck guy. So the big thing is that it was a major, major surprise. The fact that they made a profit for the first time in quarter 1. The second thing that's a big deal is if they get 3 quarters in a row, so there's quarter 3, quarter 4 of 2019, quarter 1 of 2020, the rest of the size of business makes them eligible to be on the S&P 500, which is a very popular index. The reason that's a big deal is that a lot more people buy stocks through index funds than they just go out and buy individual stocks. So typically when you make it onto the S&P 500, it has a tendency to drive the share price higher. Okay, I don't know how many of you are investors, but this has broader implications. So point number 2, we're going to look at Battery Day. Okay, so I'm going to link to this video. It's done by Clean Technica. They basically capture the audio of the earnings call, and then they put some interesting stuff here up on the screen. So let's go ahead and jump into the question and answer about Battery Day.
Give us a brief preview of the Battery Day by generally highlighting steps Tesla is taking to improve cell energy density and timeline for introduction.
Yeah, actually, we don't want to preempt Battery Day. We want to leave the exciting news for that day, but there will be a lot of exciting news to tell, and I think it'll be one of the most exciting days in Tesla's history. And we're just trying to figure out the right timing for that. We think probably the right timing will be probably the 3rd week of May. Not giving a firm date, but we think that probably that's the right timing. And depending upon what we're allowed to do, it'll either be in California or Texas.
Okay, so a couple things about Battery Day. Number 1, it's probably going to happen in May. Number 2, it's going to have a lot of exciting stuff, maybe the most exciting investor day ever, which is, so I know we're all excited about that. And the third thing is it's either going to be in California or Texas. So later on, Elon actually goes on again. They ask when they're going to be announcing the next Gigafactory opening. And he said probably within a month, but not more than 3 months. So the other thing that they talked about when they talked about the Gigafactory is that they're building them bigger and bigger, and they might start calling them the new ones Terra factories. Now, they kind of said that tongue-in-cheek, but I would expect the Texas plant is going to be a big plant. So that's basically it. Three things. They blew it out of the water in terms of earnings. Battery Day is coming. It's coming soon. And it's going to be one of the most exciting investor presentations they've ever done. And Texas looks like where it's going to be, where the Cybertruck is going to be built. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Still trying to get to 100 subs. So if you like the channel and want to support it, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Other than that, we'll catch you next time. Bye.